Hello Mzansi, welcome to Askhuluma with Brief. Today is your first time visiting this channel. Please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Uyathanda Annelisiwe Ntshangase, who's married to uLuthando Ntshangase. Ngemva kokuthi uGail arabe ligama la Luthando esifubeni sakhe kesana, and people are dragging uMogale saying ukuthi what the hell was she thinking. Bathi noma usemathandweni kangakanani lapha ama social media platforms, don't you dare right eligama lemuntu wakho, because uzozisola amadoda, they will embarrass you. So Luthando and Annelisiwe have 2 kids together, amantombazane bashadile, and tindoda abo they are a bit rocky at this moment because guy is cheating and the side chick is harassing Annelisiwe. Khulumile ke nalapha ku live where uGail revealed igaqa ukuthi lo side chick uyamhlupha, uyamharasa, uyamfonela, uyakubona so ukhiphe ama-pictures abo emshado, wakhipha i-ring, uGail akasana ring, sininginingi uGail so rabe ligama laLuthando esikhumbeni sakhe, and people are asking themselves ukuthi kwenzakalani guys, yini, don't you dare right eligama lemuntu wakho. Ngisho kumnanzi kangakanani uko-honeymoon face kangakanani, ungalibhali uDotisola nibobuza aqinile waHrootman ukuthi kwenzakalani, waze wagqina sekafake aliphiko laphana esifubeni sakhe. Amadoda, they will leave you in desert kesana. So bantu njena, instead of feeling sorry for uMogale, bathi hayi Gail wena bowuqabangani uthatha ligama lemfana ulibhala esikhumbeni, udoti crash sikhumba ke Gail. Please subscribe, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.